All right. In this one, we're going to go over how to draw Fuecoco, I think from Pokemon, as an Among Us character. So it's going to be a little bit of a crossover one, another one of those. Super easy, super easy. And let's just jump right into it immediately. All right, let's go over Fugato, a sus version of him, an Among Us version of him. So let's start over here with a circle for the face. So just like the crewmate curve right here. Go over here to the side. Go over here to this side. Curve underneath. All right. All right, let's go to the top of the head over here. So far, very similar, just a regular crewmate curve. Before we hit that point, though, we're going to give them the Fugato. Wait, I don't know if you're going Fugatos. Fuecoco. Sorry, Fugato. I'm like mixing characters. Fuecoco. Curve up here. Curve down, like that little tube from his head there. And he's got another smaller one. Gonna go over here. Curve out. Down over here. Curve back. It's a lot easier when you don't have to draw like Fuecoco's face, you know? God, these names on Pokemon. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curved line over here across the screen of the crewmate's face. Circle over here to give it reflection. Line down here, curve underneath, kind of for the stomach area. Gonna go over here and draw the leg because we're gonna take his arms out of it. Down. Curve a circle right here along the bottom for the leg, pulling up. I'm gonna continue this shape right here. Curve underneath. Over here. Curve up. Like there. It's gonna form a tail in the back there. Over here. Down. For the back hind leg. Curve underneath here. And then up. Alright. Over here. Curve. Curve for the nails. On the foot there. Over here, same thing. 1, 2. Curve for the belt. He's wearing like this kind of belt thing going on. So it's gonna be like a flat, slightly curved box. There's a belt there. Line on one side. Line on the other side. Whew. Oh man. Tired. Sorry about that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I post 3 times every single day. You don't want to miss it. If you want to learn how to draw something, I draw everything, okay? I teach you how to draw everything. It's from Pokemon to dinosaurs to what else? SpongeBob to just everything you can think about. Fortnite, everything. Stick around. It's good to be around here. So absolutely hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification for that, all right? And if you do want to help the channel out, curve line here. If you do want to help the channel out, hit the like button. Likes are what the channel lives on. It literally lives on likes, so absolutely do that. All right. And I would say as a finishing touch, at least for this part, I'm going to just draw a thick line around the entire outside, just on the outside, because I want it to look kind of more like a sticker. I released a coloring book for the first time ever. It's called Sushi Cats. Go check that out and put the link in the description. It's on Amazon right now. Incredibly inexpensive. If you like coloring, go check that out. First thing I've ever put out. Never put out a book before, so it's a first for me. Down over here. Curve underneath here. Again, just kind of going around the outside. Up over here. Run over here, just keep going. Just to give it some form, some shape, some excitement. And there you go. That's Fuecoco. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Fuecoco. from Pokemon as a crewmate from Among Us. I got to keep Among Us up over here because I'm just so addicted to it. So, all right, that's it. I want to thank you very much. I want you to stick around for the announcement, and that is pretty much it. Okay, I want you to give me a digital high five by saying hi to me in the comments. Okay, when you say hi to me in the comments, I will say hi back. See ya. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.